Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the security section, fingerprint, then you have to select your backup lock screen method. It could be pattern, PIN, password. Let's select for example PIN. Then you have to enter your PIN, then you have to confirm it. Next you have to select if you want to see notifications on a lock screen. You can see all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, and you can hide all notifications. And then tap done, and what you have to do next is to tap fingerprint sensor with your finger, which is located here at the back of your device. So what you have to do is to just tap it with your finger several times until it remembers your fingerprint. And that's it, fingerprint aided. And now, for example, we can unlock our phone with only just fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.